Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. We know that choosing the right window treatments can elevate your space and add that finishing touch, but we also understand that budget plays a crucial role. So we've done all the research for you, and in this video, we're going to share all the details of what window treatments could cost you in San Antonio. Let's dive in, the purpose and benefits of window treatments. Before we get into the costs, one question we get all the time is, do I even need window treatments? Let's quickly talk about the purpose and benefits of window treatments. You should know that they're not just about privacy and light control, although those are important factors. Window treatments can also impact your mood and well-being by regulating the natural light that enters your home. Plus, they add aesthetic appeal and style to your space. Now let's move on to those costs. Understanding the factors that affect window treatment costs. The cost of window treatments can vary depending on several factors. First of those factors is the type of window covering you choose. For example, curtains, drapes, blinds, shades, and shutters all come at different price points. So whatever style you're thinking for your home could affect the cost. The second factor that affects the cost is the size of your windows and the number of windows you need window treatments on. And third, the material and fabric you select can also impact the price. Let's break all that down a little further to give you a clearer picture. Average costs of different window treatments. We've researched the average costs of different window treatments in San Antonio. Remember, these are rough estimates and actual prices may vary, but it should give you a good starting point for when someone comes to your home for a consultation. Curtains and drapes can range from $50 to $200 per panel, depending on the material and length. Blinds are usually priced between $100 to $200 per window, and shades can vary from $50 to $200, depending on the type and material. Shutters tend to be the most expensive, ranging from $200 to $500 per window, depending on the style and material. How to stay within your budget. We know that staying within your budget is crucial, so here are some tips to help you get the window treatments you love without breaking the bank. First, consider mixing and matching window coverings to balance cost and functionality. You could use curtains in your living room for that elegant touch and opt for blinds in other areas for a more budget-friendly option. Second, keep an eye out for seasonal sales and promotions, as many retailers offer discounts on window treatments throughout the year. Now that you have an idea how much window treatments could cost in the San Antonio area, you might be wondering how to know if it's time to upgrade your window treatments. To help you out, make sure to check out the video linked above where we share 5 signs it's time to replace your window coverings. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.